What's up mga ka-Insta360? Ito na ang ating Insta360 One X3 at yan ang ating malaking screen. Yan. Pero may bago tayo ngayong latest na Insta360 One X4, pero this one that I have is One X3. Yan. At may kasama siyang isang mahabang, long, invisible stick, selfie stick. It's a 3 meters or almost 10 feet na long stick. Ayan. O, diba? Parang mangunguha lang tayo ng mangga sa kapitbahay. Yeah. Alright. Habulin nyo ako. Habulin nyo ako. Alright. So, ganito lang siya kadali iligpit. Yan. Hahatakin mo lang pababa. At instant selfie stick na maigsi. Alright. Here we go. Let's try an example. Okay. Pahabain muna natin siya. Lakad, lakad, lakad. Oops, may dalawang extra. Yan. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ang itsura ng isang invisible long selfie stick. Here we go. Lakad, 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 lakad. FPV drone. Alright, hindi nyo nakikita yung stick, diba? Wala, habulin na yan. Alright. Whoops. Tutok naman natin sa atin. Ikot. Wow, ikot. At ayan. Salamat at tapos din. And this one, this is bullet time handle. So it allows the user to swing the camera in a circle overhead without repositioning their hand on the grip. So it's the Insta360 software that makes the handle invisible in the final shot. Or meron din yung bullet time cord na tinatawag. So, retractable cord that allows the user to swing the camera overhead while activating bullet time mode on the camera. And that's all, folks, for today's video. So, this is once again, truly yours, Michael.